Hi there. In this video, we'll show you how to configure the Poster POS system to work with 7Stamp. 7Stamp is a simple and incredibly effective loyalty program based on digital stamp cards. Forget about plastic cards and downloading heavy mobile apps. Your guest's loyalty card flies right into their Apple Wallet or Google Wallet in just 15 seconds using a standard QR code with no registration or endless forms to fill out. What does this mean for your business? You automatically build a customer database, get free wallet push notifications, access automated customer retention tools, and, most importantly, unlock full-fledged vouchers and lotteries that aren't natively available in Poster. Plus, it's a legal way to convert anonymous delivery customers from aggregators like Glovo or Bolt Food directly into your own database. Let's set up the system from scratch in just 15 minutes. You can integrate 7Stamp and Poster in a few different ways. The most classic one is the manual mode. The cashier scans the guest's digital card right at the checkout, views the customer's profile, automatically awards stamps, and processes the earned rewards. But if you want to keep staff involvement to an absolute minimum, turn on the automatic mode. In this scenario, Poster prints a unique QR code at the bottom of the bill. The customer scans it with their smartphone, the card is automatically added to their wallet, and the stamps are credited to their balance. Your database grows on its own, the line never slows down, and the cashier only steps in to hand over a gift via a voucher. Another cool tool is the interactive self-service kiosk. You simply place a regular tablet facing the customer. Guests scan their phones against the screen themselves, collect stamps, and view their rewards without distracting the cashier. And when it's time to claim a reward, they just show their screen to the cashier, who processes it in Poster to keep your inventory perfectly balanced. 7Stamp also features other powerful, unique tools, paper vouchers and promotional delivery inserts, which turn anonymous Glovo and Bolt Food users into your loyal regulars. We'll cover those in separate videos. For now, let's get the system set up. Step 1. Log into your Poster admin panel, go to the Apps tab, find the 7Stamp plugin in the Marketplace, and click Connect. You can also use a direct connection link. Step 2. Open the Poster Register app on your tablet or computer. Make sure to clear the application cache. After doing this, the 7Stamp module will appear in the menu. Step 3. Link the two systems. We'll need an API key. Go to the 7Stamp admin panel at admin.7stamp.com. Open the API and Integration section, click Add API Key, and copy it. Step 4. Return to the Poster Register, tap through the menu. Functions Apps 7Stamp. Paste the copied key into the designated field. Excellent, you are now connected. Now choose your stamping mode. The system offers two main options: print QR code on receipt or the manual scanning mode. For now, let's select the manual mode. In the next video, we'll show you how a cashier works in manual mode, how to look up customers quickly, and how to properly process issued gifts through the Poster Register.